Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is 3rd July 2026 and you're watching today's post market report. Let's begin our video with today's market action. Today, markets opened with a very strong gap up. Nifty opened nearly 208 points higher, while Sensex opened with around 700 points gap up. But in the second half, market lost some momentum and slipped from higher levels. Still, by the closing bell, indices managed to end the day in a noticeable positive zone. Now let's discuss today's important market updates. First update, China vendors get temporary exemption in India. The Indian government has granted a temporary 2 years public procurement order exemption to 4 Chinese electrical equipment vendors. This move is seen as a short-term negative for major domestic players like Hitachi Energy, GE Vernova, Siemens Energy, and CG Power. Because of this exemption, these China vendors can participate in PSU tenders for high voltage transformers and GIS switchgears until India's local manufacturing capacity improves. So, analysts believe this may increase competition and create order share pressure for Indian companies. Next update, big positive for Paytm. Paytm's international subsidiary company has achieved a major regulatory milestone. Paytm's Europe has officially received a Paytm Payments Institutional License from Luxembourg's financial regulatory. This is a major achievement because this financial regulator acts as a gateway into the European Union. This approval allows Paytm to expand its digital payment services across multiple European countries. This is a big positive step for Paytm's global expansion plans. Next update is about massive EV bus scheme. The Indian government is planning a massive 20,000 crore rupees incentive scheme for electrifying private buses. This scheme will run for the next 5 years. The main object is reducing oil imports and improving fuel security. This development is highly positive for electric bus makers like JBM Auto and Olectra Greentech. This could significantly boost order books for India's EV commercial vehicle sector. So before moving further, a quick reminder, I upload pre-market videos every single morning before market opens and also post-market videos every evening after market close. So if you don't want to miss any important market updates, make sure you stay connected with Stock Market Meridian. So let's continue. Next update is about Zydus Life and Apollo Hospitals. Zydus Life has signed an MOU with Apollo Hospitals. The partnership aims to expand access to the Advanced Shield multi-cancer detection test in India. This test can detect signals of multiple cancers from a single blood sample, and it focuses on major cancers like breast, lung, colorectal, and prostate cancers. So, this partnership gives Zydus strong access to Apollo's nationwide hospital network. Next update is about PB Fintech block deal. A massive 1741 crore block deal happened in PB Fintech today. Around 1 crore 8 lakh shares changed hands, representing nearly 2.37% equity stake. The deal was executed at 1601 rupees per share, which was nearly 4.3% discount compared to previous closing. That is the main reason PB Fintech stock fell more than 5.7% today. Next update, Angel One's monthly business data. Angel One reported strong monthly business numbers. Angel One's total client base reached 38.59 million, growing 18.8% year on year. Option premium turnover based ADTO jumped 149% year on year. Commodity ADTO saw exceptional growth of 184% year on year. Client funding book also hit a record high of 61.37 billion rupees, showing strong growth in margin funding. However, quarter on quarter, softer market conditions impacted client acquisition and order volumes. Next update is about IEX monthly business data. IEX reported strong electricity trading volume. Quarter 1 financial year 2027, electricity traded volume reached 37,534 million units. It's 15.9% year-on-year growth. June monthly volume came at 12,210 million units, rising 12.5% year-on-year. And real-time market performed strongly with 23.5% growth. Higher power demand also pushed electricity prices upward. So green market volumes grow modestly, while REC volumes sharply declined due to sharp supply shortage. And next update is about IDFC FIRST Bank business data. IDFC FIRST Bank crossed an important milestone. Total loans and advances crossed 3 lakh crore rupees. That is 20.6% year-on-year growth. Total deposit also rose to 3 lakh 11,000 crore rupees. And this was 17.7% year-on-year growth. CASA deposit grew strongly by 24.7% year-on-year. And the CASA ratio improved 50.8% year-on-year. Overall, business growth remains strong and asset quality continues to improve. Next update is about Union Bank business data. Union Bank also reported strong monthly numbers. Global gross advances reached 10 lakh 96,000 crore rupees. This was 12.5% year-on-year growth. Domestic advances grow even better at 13.11% year-on-year, and domestic CASA deposit rise 11.72% year-on-year. And total global deposit reached 12 lakh 83,000 crore rupees. Overall, global business stood at 23 lakh 79,000 crore rupees. Next update is about Adani Enterprises QIP. This update is related to Adani Enterprises and I should have mentioned in the pre-market video only. Unfortunately, I missed it. Sorry for that. Adani Enterprises officially opened its QIP issue on July 2nd. This issue size is expected between 10,000 to 15,000 crore rupees and the floor price has been fixed at 3,034 rupees 68 paisa per share. This is nearly 4% discount compared to previous closing price. Under SEBI rules, the company can offer up to more 5% discount on this floor price. And next update is about Deepak Builders order win. Deepak Builders has received a 549 crore rupees order. This order is from HSIIDC, Haryana State Industrial and Infrastructure Development Corporation. This project involves construction of buildings and infrastructure for Sri Krishna Ayush University in Haryana. Next update is about Blue Spring Enterprises order. Blue Spring Enterprises has received a major O&M contract worth 1,437 crore rupees and the contract has been awarded by Vedanta Aluminium. This contract duration is 5 years, starting from August 1st, 2026. Next final update is about a very interesting small cap company. Indian Hume Pipe Company has received a major order from Rajasthan's Public Health Engineering Department. The order value is 738 crore rupees. What makes this interesting is the company's market cap is at around only 1700 crore rupees. This single order is worth more than 40% of the company's market capitalization. This can become a major growth catalyst for the company. So that's all for today's post-market report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Stock Market Meridian. I will see you again in Monday's pre-market analysis video. Happy weekend. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.